G'day guys, Michael here from Tech and Tactical, and today I'm going to reorganize my second living room, craft room / kids gaming room, because at the moment, move it around. This is my wife's craft table, which she cannot do craft on at all. And I'm going to, this is my son's PC, this is my daughter's one, which I built, and I'm going to move this aside, that aside. This stuff here is going to go soon. I'm going to, this is a little hack, I'm going to use 3 of these, where are you? 3 of these Clever Cubes, these 2x2 cubes I get from Bunnings. I'm here in Australia, so Bunnings is our biggest sort of hardware place. And there's going to be, so 1 in the middle, 2 on either side, and I'm going to use this as a tabletop, which is, oh, terrible lighting, actually a door. It costs $30. The door's about, what was it, 31 bucks for the door, and they're about $44 each for these cubes. So I did something similar on my wife's craft table here, because why use expensive stuff when doing craft? And same with my kids, they're just filthy. So yes, let's get into it. Okay, the fun part's done. My thumbs are killing me. Anyone who's ever put it together, flat pack stuff will know the bastard pain of these things. So the next thing is to clear all this and get it all looking like it should. Okay, got it basically in the where I want it. So what I'm planning to do is put a tower here, and of course a tower on the other side, and obviously have one monitor there. It's hard to see, sorry. And one monitor there, tower there, and a tower there. And there's about 700mm gap in between. It should be plenty for the kids. And that will then get that onto there. And as they say, you have a happy wife, you have a happy life. So she'll get her craft table back. And once I clean up the mess, hopefully I've done it before she gets home, everyone should be happy. And what I might do actually, I might be able to, I don't think I'm going to really need to secure that tabletop down in all honesty, because with the tower there and the tower there, the weight of the TVs and that on there, and the keyboards and all that sort of stuff, it shouldn't move. But I do have these. So, may as well utilise them. I mean, in all honesty, it probably just needs one at the middle there, and one back there, and yeah, that should be about it. The only thing I haven't really accounted for is the cords, but cords should be able to come through this little gap here, keeping that all flush, and there's also one on the other side as well. So that should be good. So let's keep going. Right, yeah, it's pretty much done, but just tidying a few things up and putting away all the mess. But just gonna have a bit of a look. It's pretty good. So it's my daughter's. I'll have to get her a bit of a better chair, I think. I don't think she'll be too happy with that one. She was using one of these up in here, sort of a bench chair. Yeah, so there we go. I think I need to get her a little light strip, because God forbid one has one and one doesn't. So there we are, up and running. It's pretty good. Yeah, so there we go. The table, a door, sorry, from Bunnings for 31 bucks, to be honest, for the exact price. The size was 2040 by 770 by 35 mil thick, and then 3 of these, the Clever Cube. You can get them in white, you can get them in like similar colour to like that sort of beachy wooden sort of colour. Yeah, so there we go. So for a total of 170 bucks, 180 bucks, that should get them through for a while. And now I've got to clean all this mess up. And what I think I'll do is, like I've done here, you can get these little drawer inserts. I think I'll get some stick in here. I put 2, because you can get out this side, and I put 2 from the other side, I think. And that'll be some extra storage under there, and that might get rid of most of this stuff. I can probably get rid of these bits and bobs and bins and Lego and that sort of jazz, and get it all put away. So there we go. All right. Well, till next time, guys. It's Michael from Tech and Tactical. Have a good day. Take it easy.